Today we have got into a memorandum of understanding with the Himalaya Drug Company for cultivation of alfalfa seeds at Business Agricultural Colony Anantapur, where we have a lot of land available for growth of herbal plants and plantations. The Himalaya Company came forward for this kind of partnership with the AP prisons on a pilot basis, experiment basis. We have started this for about 2 acres. We'll be engaging about 30 inmates of prisons, and for this particular cultivation, they'll be trained by Himalaya Drug Company, and we will provide the electricity for running the motors and pump for irrigation, as well as we'll provide the land for this purpose for plantations. And the Himalaya Drug Company will supply the seeds as well as take the finished product after packaging and transportation to their factory at Bangalore. So once this becomes a success, we'll be able to replicate it in other central prisons where we have open air prisons, or we can even expand it further in the Prisoners Agricultural Colony at Anantapur. Now, we have to see how this experiment works. If it works properly, successfully, it has got enormous possibilities for prison lands where cultivation is not being done in many of the places of the state of Andhra Pradesh. I'm very happy that Himalaya Drug Company came forward. In fact, we have seen how the model has worked in Karnataka, and they have got an open prison where they have been cultivating this for the last 2 years, and they have expanded the project now. So based on their experience and sharing of information with the DG prisons of Karnataka, we have implemented or initiated this particular project. Thank you.